So welcome to today's video. We are going to take the red car on a trip to Tucson, Arizona and back. So we're going to start here in Mesa and we're going to Tucson and back, and we'll see what fuel mileage we get. So we're going to fill it up and we're going to see how much fuel it takes. So we'll fill it up, and when it clicks, I'll look in there and fill it to where I can see it, and we'll fill up here when we're done. Then we'll know exactly how many miles, we'll know exactly what we've done, and we will do it. It's December, so I have a Christmas time. Not like crazy. Alright, so we got it filled up, and now I'm gonna look.
Who are you? I'm you. But with the spicy kick. When you try Jacqueline's Doritos Spicy Sweet Chili Flavored Beef Jerky, you unleash the you with more flavor.
If you look, I'll pull it up a little bit more. So you can see the foam in there. We know we're full. And we will fill to the same level next time. So hopefully you can see that. If not,
not really.
We'll see what happens. So look up here. I'm up here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So we're gonna try to do a time-lapse video of the drive. Let's see if we can get that set up. We made it to our destination and celebrated by eating a cinnamon roll. It was delicious. But this whole video is about miles per gallon, not food in our face. So, back in the car. Alright, so we made it back to Mesa. We're here. I'm fueling up my car. The audio was garbage, so I'm going to cover it up for you. We traveled the 106 miles each way. So, how did the car do? Well, it drove nice. It handled nice. The kids fell asleep. Camera fell off a couple times like you saw. But we made it to our destination safely and in a timely manner. Average speed was somewhere around 70 to 80. I don't know. I don't have a way to calculate that, but let's just say I drove roughly speed limit. You could Google that. Everything went good. This is me so excited. How many gallons is it going to take? Roughly 212 whatever miles. And my goal is around 30 miles a gallon in this car. Driving whatever the speed limit is and comfortable. This was a flat road trip. I understand. It's not a true test of like, oh, what would it be like climbing a mountain? 7 gallons, 7.3 gallons where it clicked. Saw my face of excitement. Roughly 7 gallons is good. Topping it off to match the morning's routine. And you'll see my fancy little calculator popping up because I don't do math in my head. So 106 miles, plus 106 miles equals 212 miles. Divide that by 7.7, and you get 27.5 miles a gallon, or I will call it 27 miles a gallon. Thank you for watching. We successfully traveled. Have fun.